In 2020, the Flathead County Sheriff's Office re-signed an agreement with ICE called 287G that allows the detention center to temporarily hold individuals that need to be transported to federal facilities. Sheriff Brian Heino says the agreement is strictly tied to the detention center and does not allow sheriff's deputies to act as ICE agents in the field. He said the agreement has been in place for close to 20 years.
And majority of these discussions when we're talking about 287 was often due to, with the Canada being so close, we often dealt with Canadians that were in that portion, not other people from different cultures. So it's a broad topic, but again, the localized people that we work with every day, we have great partnerships with, and we continue to support them and work with them.
Sheriff Heino says his office partners with multiple federal agencies on crimes such as dangerous narcotics, child pornography, and illegal immigration by temporarily holding federal inmates. He says they do not house federal inmates on long-term holds.
I mean, basically, this has always come down to we enforce the law, we protect the constitutional rights of individuals, and we do that. We've been doing the same thing for the last 20 years, and we maintain that.
Danielle Toohey is a community organizer with Flathead Democracy and was one of dozens of Flathead residents that recently spoke at a county commissioners meeting, asking the sheriff's office to cut ties with federal immigration authorities and nullify the 287G agreement.
One of the main points with that is that they're currently being trained for 47 days. And anybody that has worked in law enforcement or in the military or even worked with victims or people in mental health will recognize that that is a massive lack of training, and that puts everybody at risk.
She says ICE, as currently constructed, can't be trusted as fair partners.
I think people here feel a little bit more insulated against that kind of thing happening here, but the reality is that we have Border Patrol in our backyards, and if the sheriffs have this agreement with ICE, they can come here and do the same things.
Sheriff Heino says his agency will continue to follow the agreement under the same discretion as years past.
The capacity of our facility, we have to allow availability and room for the local issues that we have here. But again, if we have an issue with somebody that needs to be retained for a federal transport, we do courtesy holds for them to assist them.
In Kalispell, Sean Wells, NTA News.